Hello YouTube. I'm about to grind some winter wheat berries with the Nutribullet, and here we go. I'm going to put this milling blade on. As you can see, I already grinded some earlier. I just want you to see that it can be done. Hold on just a second.
Alright, y'all refresh the page if you can.
Alright, here we go.
Y'all refresh the page if you can.
As you know, you can't leave the Nutribullet going constantly for no more than a minute. So I usually take a minute break to let the motor cool down a little bit, and then I grind some more. But anyway, this is the finished product right here, and it grinds it up pretty fine. The only thing you have to do is just filter it through like a screen to get the larger particles out, but so far so good. And I plan on making some organic wheat bread very soon. But I just wanted people to know that the Nutribullet can grind up wheat berries, the hard winter wheat, with no problem. Anyway, that's my video.